The hum of sewing machines inside this clothing factory in Kenya's capital, Nairobi, signals a return to business. It had stalled in September last year when the AGOA trade deal that was introduced in 2000 expired.
You are worried? Even workers, most of them, majority, were sick because they had children in school. Here is the job we are having is now almost going. AGOA, there is no extension. Every day when we came here, people are praying here like they will never pray again. But we thank God.
The African Growth and Opportunity Act has been the backbone of this factory, allowing it to export clothing for major American brands duty-free. But when it lapsed, factories are forced to absorb additional tariffs to retain American clients, straining cash flow and putting jobs at risk.
And we want to request to look into for the permanent long-term solution, as we are all depending and invested in this sector here, thinking long-term to serve the American brands. So please, we have to find long-term solution for the sector.
And it's a similar story thousands of kilometers away. Lesotho exports a significant share of its textiles to the U.S. and was hit hard by a 15% reciprocal tariff, triggering mass layoffs. Many former employees now gather outside factories each day, hoping for work. And the one-year AGOA extension by Trump has brought temporary, limited relief to workers like Matokelo Mansenkane.
I came to this place because I'm looking for a job, since I'm a woman who has worked in textile factories before, so we can't get employment at all in this country. We are told it's because of the issues relating to AGOA. We will only get employment once it has been renewed.
In 2024, trade in goods and services between Lesotho and America reached $276 million, according to official U.S. trade data. The government says it is pushing for a longer-term agreement.
We have to work today to get the U.S. to provide us with a framework of a proper trade policy for Africa.
32 African countries have exported vehicles, textiles and agricultural products to the world's largest market. But U.S. officials say they want to make sure that the duty-free trade deal aligns with the President Trump's America First policy. For now, all eyes are on Washington as the continent holds out for a more permanent deal before the end of December. Brenda Czeda Radido, TRT World.